Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Roblox Fisch Gaming or game not loading. So let's get straight into the video. So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and close the Roblox application completely and try to reopen it. If that is not the case, you want to check for the Roblox server status if the servers are all operational or not. If it is operational, then it might also be because of your cache. On a Windows, you want to simply press Windows R and then type this exact thing into that search bar that pops up and delete everything in this folder. Once you simply go ahead and do so, you want to simply go ahead and reset the Roblox Internet option. You want to simply open the Internet options and then head into the Advanced tab and click on the Reset tab. Once you do that, it should fix it. Another thing you want to do is check firewall and antivirus. So in the firewall, you want to simply allow an app through a firewall and then allow Roblox, and that is about it. If that doesn't work, simply try reinstalling it. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next.